On 8.5 graphs of quadratics. So a quadratic function is of the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a does not equal 0. So that's the same as what we've been working with. The only thing is that we have a f of x instead of 0. And it makes a parabola when you graph it, this little curvy thing that we can see on the right-hand side. So some fun facts about this form are, so if a is positive or bigger than 0, then we get a parabola facing up as seen there. And if it's less than 0 or negative, the parabola is facing down as we can see on the right-hand side. Now, the vertex is the lowest point if it's facing up. So we can see here, this would be the lowest point of the parabola, and it would be the highest point if it's facing down. And we're bringing back some stuff from first semester, vertex form, a times x minus h squared plus k. So remember that for xy coordinates, h means x and k means y, as in h means we're moving left and right, and k means we're moving up and down. And remember in the formula that h is the opposite, so if it says -2, we should think moving to the right 2. So let's take, for example, x plus 4 squared plus 10. So remember, h is inside next to it, but we want the opposite. So our h is -4 instead, and we write down the exact same number for k, which is just 10. So if we were to write our hk coordinate, we would get -4, 10, and that is where the vertex is. So our parabola would start at -4, 10, and go up from there instead of starting at the origin. The last thing we're going to talk about is the axis of symmetry, and it's where it is cut directly in half. So the halfway point would be where the vertex is, and I know I didn't draw this perfectly symmetrical, but that would be x equals 3 would be our axis of symmetry. And that vertex would actually be at 3, 4, because you have to go to the right 3 and down 4 to get to there.